What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping by. Let's take a gander at what I'm building next. Pretty excited about this one. It's the Cougar, Mercury Cougar cat. Really excited about this. This is one of the first kits I remember building. It was my holy grail, but I couldn't find one that was like under 200 bucks. And I can't afford 200 bucks for a kit. They brought it back. My son picked this up for me. So excited to start building this. So let's take a look what's inside, shall we? Well, looks like there's model parts in there. All right, take a look. We've got a couple different choices of tires. Some have white wall, some don't. Treads are a little different too. I'm not gonna take them out. I don't know if you can see. One's more just a regular street tire. The other one's more of a street rod. All right. There we go. We got the body. Whoop. Let's get this off the chassis and get the tub out of there. So he's got a textured vinyl roof. Look at that body style, man. That is slick. This was a really cool car in the day. So there we go. There's the body. There's the tub. It's got the molded in doors, molded in rear seat. I think the molded in is a little more hard to, It's a little harder to detail, but we'll get her done. There's the tub. Chassis. Oh, nothing's molded in the chassis, except for the chassis. So exhaust is separate. Little bit of flash, nothing big. We got a windshield, rear tail lights, chrome. Let's see what we got for chrome. Got a lot of engine chrome. I think there's going to be two different ways to build the engine. We've got two different oil pans here. We've got the chrome valve covers and a couple different carburetors. So we'll see which way we want to go with it. A lot of chrome. Some of this stuff I'll probably strip before I put it on. Some of you know I'm not a big fan of a ton of chrome. Oh yeah, so you've got the parachute. So we will not be building that one. We will have a street rod. So let me see, we've got dash. This is the engine bay. That's what you want to call it. That's what I'm going to call it. Got a radiator, scoop, wheel backs. Yeah, pretty cool. And let's see. Here we've got the non-chrome parts. Carburetor, even got a different distributor cap. I'm going to show you how I made my distributor cap on my last build. I was really pleased with it. Yeah, so this is probably the engine we're going to go with. Maybe not. Can still put a Boss engine in there without putting a parachute on the back of the car, right? All right, we've got the front end for the radiator. It's got the horns molded in, battery, hood, the spot to cut out for the hood. I mean, look at that. That is just, you know, I just love the style of this car. It is really cool. Should say the last parts trees. So we got the front seats. You know, I don't know. We'll see. But this especially looks like a convertible convertible top cover. I don't know. I'm sure I'm completely wrong, because that is not an image on the box, and I'm not sure this even came as a convertible. But anyway, here we go. We got the exhaust with the drivetrain springs. We got a mini tree, the steering wheel, mini tree with the steering wheel, and don't know quite what these are. We shall find out. Interesting. And we've got this badge. It's obviously a badge. I don't remember that when I built this kit when I was a kid, but maybe I did, because when I was a teenager I did a lot of stuff that can make me forget. So yeah, that's I like that badge. See how it goes. Got our headers, more engine parts, the block, different fan, yeah, carburetor cover, yeah. So pretty cool. Let's take a look at the decals. Let's see. Decals, pretty cool. We'll see how many of these I'm going to use. I do plan on painting it red. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. What do you think? What do you think, if it should be red or black? A different color? You know, when I built this when I was younger, I painted it red. Brush stroke red. Because that's the 70s. So I'm not sure. I'm open to suggestions. Leave me some comments down below on what you think a cool color would be for this. So there we go. That's it for today. I just want to thank you so very much for tuning in. I want to thank all my old and new subscribers. If you just happen to stop by and you like this, please consider subscribing. Give me a like. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video. I want to thank you again. God bless. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.